Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we are going to understand if there are any tools available which can enable us to learn machine learning and to build products with machine learning without code or low code. We call it no code or low code machine learning tools. Can we do that first of all? Is there a chance? Yes, there is a chance, and there are many tools available, and out of which I have picked around 6 tools for you today, which I am going to just hover through that you can understand how exactly it works. There are many tools that you can start using, and it's going to help you in building your machine learning application just without any code. It's very easy. Right. The first one is BigML. The website is bigml.com, where you can learn machine learning in a very simple way, and they've got a lot of use cases. They've got very neat documentation available, and it's really cool. You can see that it's very well made website. It's a very interactive, very easy to use website, and introductory videos are there which can let you learn how to use BigML very easily. This is pretty easy. You can try this out. This is very comfortable for anybody to start learning, and the dashboard is believed to be very simple as well. So go through it. This is bigml.com. The second one is meant for the special guys, Apple. Yeah, CreateML. This is one which is used for Mac. You can create machine learning applications, and you can learn using it on your Mac with this CreateML. And CreateML really is great, and it takes the complexity out of the model training while producing a powerful core ML models. The website is really very interactive, and it has got a lot of information which you can start learning, and there are many resources that are available as well which you can start working on. Also, you have got varieties of models that you can choose from, and it can help you in image, video, motion, sound, text, and tabular content that you can look into. Image classification, object detection, style transfer is done in image, and video action classification and style transfer is included. Motion is activity classification included. Sound classification is done. Text classification and word tagging is done. So tabular classification, regression, recommendation is all available. So you can go through it and start using it. The documentation, as usual, as you can expect from Apple, is really cool. Go through it, and this is going to be one of the best. Next one is Frisk AI. Yeah, this is believed to be good as well. I read the feedback and the reviews of this, which is again good, but again this is one thing which is not so popular, but it is believed to be very good, and there are a lot of resources that are available for somebody to use. And this is an ML platform for iOS, Android, and a lot more. SnapML is also supported by this, and you can start using it for mobile. The ML platform for mobile is completely supported here, and this is pretty easy for somebody to hover through and to understand what they are doing. You can see that for Snapchat, for mobile, and they have done it really very nice, and they've got a lot of customers as well. I think you can go through to understand this much better. Right. The next one is a biggie. It's Google Cloud AutoML. This is very neatly done, and the web page that we have in front of us is really very amazing, and it's very well made. This is something that can really be very helpful for any beginner to go on with it, and as usual you can understand the way Google gets things done is very good. So you can train the custom machine learning models with this, and they have got a clear set of videos which are very short and sweet for somebody to learn, and they've got products already available which you can start exploring, and you can go ahead with it as well. You can see that they have done a very neat work here, and which is in the next level. Right. The next one is again interesting, which is MLKit. It's again from Google. So you can understand that this is machine learning for mobile developers. When you call it ML, it's all machine learning, and this time it is very specifically for mobile developers, and you can make your iOS and Android apps really more engaging, personalized, and very attractive using this MLKit. This is very useful. They have got Vision APIs already available, and you can go through it and start implementing it. Barcode scanning, face detection, image labeling, object detection, text recognition, digital ink recognition, post detection, selfie segmentation, all there in one box called as Vision APIs. And when you come to natural language processing, you've got APIs available for language ID, on-device translation, smart reply, entity extraction, and more. So we have got a lot of things here, and this is absolutely useful because people tend to spend a lot of time in building all this stuff on their own. Now it is not required. You can just pull these APIs, and it's going to be pretty easy for you to start building things on your own with MLKit. Right. The final one is MakeML. MakeML is something amazing. I simply like the website and the way they presented contents. They say that create a data set. That's the first step. You can see that you create and manage the data set, and then you can go ahead with training and testing the model, then integrate the model, start building solutions. That's it. They make it very, very simple, and this is really very cool. You can see that they have built a lot of sample applications out here, and it's with AR, it's with object detection for iOS, semantic segmentation. All these are done, and this seems to be very interesting. I'm yet to explore this much, and you've got a complete set of YouTube video guides also available, which you can check through. We have got tutorials already available, the ball detection tutorial, the stamps detection, all these are available, and you can start implementing it step by step. The code is given, everything is given, and the explanation is pretty good as well. So you can try it out. So today what we have done is we have learned the 6 ML tools which we can use towards learning the machine learning without code or low code. I hope you like the session, and in case you have any questions, please type it in the comment section. I'll be able to clarify it. If you like the channel and the content, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.